New at 5, a lot of changes announced today as Wisconsin makes its safer at home order official. It'll run for 30 days. We're going to take you through those changes, but let me tell you up front, it's not dramatically different than how we've been coping for the last week or so. Let's start with the recap of the latest numbers. There are now over 500 cases across the state, more than half of those cases coming from Milwaukee County, as you can see. The good news today, no new reported deaths. It remains at 5, 3 in Milwaukee County, 1 each in Ozaukee and Fond du Lac counties. Again, team coverage now of all the events surrounding the coronavirus pandemic and what we've learned today, from how long Milwaukee is looking to change the way to vote in the upcoming election. We learned more about the Milwaukee man who recently died from the virus and the governor's order to stay safe at home and that business and which businesses can stay open. Let's start with Amy DuPont. She's live in Milwaukee with the latest warning from the Wisconsin Department of Health. Amy?
Well, Ted, the governor began his conference call today by reading the obituary of one of the people who died after contracting COVID-19. And health experts say if more people do not stay home, another 1,000 Wisconsin lives could be at risk.
During a call with reporters, Governor Tony Evers said his order is no joke. Without it, state health experts say up to 1,500 Wisconsinites could die in less than a month.
And if we continue on our current path, without implementing safer at home to flatten the curve, the models show us that we would likely have 22,000 Wisconsinites who are positive for COVID-19 by April 8th and an estimated 440 to 1,500 deaths.
Health Secretary designee Andrea Palm is also upping group guidelines. Palm says everyone needs to reduce the total number of people they interact with to 5.
Not 5 people at a time, but 5 people total.
There are at least 500 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Wisconsin, the majority in Milwaukee. But because few people are eligible for testing, state doctors believe there are many more.
That could mean that for every individual that we test that tests positive for the infection, there are 10 individuals in the community with mild symptoms that don't seek care.
The governor's new order, doctors say, is the best way to limit the spread and save lives.
The governor's safer at home order takes effect Wednesday morning at 8 o'clock. It's going to run for the next 30 days. Now, Ted, we did ask the governor if more restrictions were possible, and his answer, well, he hopes not. Live in Milwaukee, Amy DuPont, Fox 6 News.
And we will pass those along if they do happen. Amy, thank you. Whole lot